Today in this video we will see new update in Snapchat. Snapchat update their function. Here you can see new feature Snapchat chat shortcut update. This is amazing feature providing by the Snapchat. You need to update your Snapchat account from Play Store. After updating your Snapchat account, just open Snapchat. Here you can see chat icon. Just click on chat icon, and here you can see not option in Snapchat. And after updating this, refresh this page. After refreshing this page, here you can see four new feature add in Snapchat. This is new update. I tell you one by one. First option is all your friend. Here you can easily access many feature by chat cut icon. Here you can see new friend are here. After clicking second button, here you can see all your unread message and snap. Here you can see. After third option, click on unreplied all message show here. This is an amazing feature providing by the Snapchat. If you want to add another shortcut, click on plus icon, select the friend to create shortcut. Just here add emoji icon. After clicking, just click on shortcut. You can easily create any shortcut and access many feature fast in Snapchat. This is amazing feature providing by the Snapchat. If you like this feature, please comment in our video, like, subscribe, share with friend. Here you can see outclass feature. See you in the next video. Goodbye.